We're really at the inflection point with LED entering into the horticulture market. What sets Illumitex apart from the competition is fourfold: performance, service, science, and digital features that enable farmers to make better decisions faster.
There's so many people who claim to be a horticultural lighting company, but they're really sourcing and selling somebody else's product, someone else's design. You know, from the sub-assemblies to the chip level, the diode level, all the way up through the hardware. All that is assembled here, is designed here, is engineered here. So we have complete A to Z to optimize the product and the solution for the customer. That's a real differentiator. We're not just pushing lighting, we're not just selling hardware, we're selling a service really that's bundled into this with our horticultural scientists.
An important part of our process is the use of our integrating sphere. We have the capability of taking our competitors' fixtures and seeing what the true output is, as well as utilizing that to design and iterate our technology to make sure it puts out the light output and has the efficiencies we say it has.
It's not unusual for a customer to ask us to produce to a certain level of performance, and we will have the engineering done, we'll prototype it, and then we'll be able to deliver to those requirements fairly rapidly.
We're constantly prototyping, we're constantly building, and we're constantly testing our products to prove out our performance. We can constantly validate our fixtures, and we can ultimately, offer a customer a solution that meets their needs.